First of all, thank you for Jesus Christ for this W. Kung wala siya, baka hindi namin magagawa to. It's all about the grit and determination of our players. We're down by double digit in the third quarter. I told them to don't quit, just try to wait for our run. And good thing our bench players or reserve namin, second group namin, delivers the energy and the aggressiveness. And I think yun lang yung puhunan namin, the hard work and the determination. And again, credit to the players because I told them nga na we will get tired, mapapagod kami ngayon. But at the end of the day, mapagod kami, at least manalo kami. So yun yung goal namin, make it close until sa dulo, kung maka-execute kami ng depensa namin, I think we have a good chance. And yun nga yung nangyari.
Thank you, Coach Chito. Jose successfully came back from a 14-point deficit. What did you just allow take control over you in the last few moments where you were just all over the floor, scoring, rebounding, and diving for loose balls just to help close out this game with a victory?
Yeah, like Coach said, first of all, glory to God, especially being Holy Week, so remember Him. But like I always say, I'm just trying to, I know what I do well, and just trying to go out there and do that and bring energy and play to my strengths. But also, a lot of that comeback was when I was off the floor. Our guys got into a press and started turning them over a lot. So yeah, kudos to my teammates, especially down the stretch. A lot of those big shots, Mark, Jerome, just closing it out for us. So credit to my teammates. It was a team effort for sure.
Thank you, sir. Now we would like to open the floor to friends from the press.
Thank you.
Coach, again, this week, in the manner of our one, good side pa rin ba sa pasang nila?
Come again, sorry.
This kind of victory, good side pa rin ba sa inyo?
Yeah, of course. We need this kind of game, an overtime game, a grinding game, to test our character also, and to test kung nasaan kami ngayon on this stage of the league. First 3 games namin, we face this number 1 team, San Miguel. We know na mahihirapan kami dito. Alam namin na medyo close game, grinding game. So, yun, maganda para sa team namin. We have a long break and I think yun nga yung sabi ko sa kanila, bonus sa amin kung manalo kami because of course, medyo matagal yung pahinga namin bago kami bumalik ulit sa practice. So, yan, magandang sa amin, magandang panalo.
Coach, it's something which your movement ang magiging Xavier and kanina si Mosa.
Yeah, our youth, the combination of the veteran and the youth, malaking factor sa amin. I told you naman before na these guys, Xavier, Jerome, Aris, and Peter will be a big factor for us for this conference to support our veterans. And of course, Xavier will be very consistent. Jerome is very consistent. Down the stretch, we need big shots of Paul and big shot of Mark. So it's all about the team effort. And plus, hindi lang natin nakikita, I want to credit also, big credit to Ian for doing a very good job on Junmar. Hindi lang natin nakikita, but grabe yung ginawa ni Ian for depensahan si Junmar. Although sabi ko nga, we cannot stop Junmar, but we have to limit his activity. So yun yung nagawa ni Ian. I mean naman, si Jerome naman he gets his minutes and it's a matter of resting him so that down the stretch medyo fresh siya. And Jerome is a fighter. Actually the last possessions gusto ko siyang ilabas magpahingahin, but he told me not to sub him. He wants to play. So yun naman, kita naman natin yung bata, they can deliver in a crucial moment together with Xavier. So it's all about their mental. They're mentally strong. They're coming from this kind of game in the college. So alam na nila how to play in the France in a very crucial game, very crucial minutes of the game.
Which nung down kayo 14, training kayo, no, scoring pa yung game. Gusto mo pa yung chances mo during that?
Yeah, I told him in the dugout, we're down by 9, but I told him na I like the pace. Gusto ko yung classic laro because they only scored 45 points. So I think it's a matter of yung mga namin yung iniintay ko because we don't have any runs in the first half. So sabi ko lang, magkaroon lang tayo ng magandang run in the second half. I think mabalik naman tayo. And then the bench are delivering that aggressiveness, nakakuha sa amin ng mga magandang energy. Although madami kaming turnovers, madami kaming miss shot, but happy pa rin ako kasi nandun kami. So yun naman talaga yung game namin. So yun talaga yung sistema natin. So yun. And then close game, at least we have a chance. We execute very well down the stretch.
Kung sinabas kasi yung try mo guard play with yung Gio, meron lang tayong Jerome and Digital Power. How do you like this bunch of guys that you have right now na composition of Mark Rama and
Yeah, I like the composition of my team. We're very pesky. We want that defensive presence. We want that pressure. And Jerome Bastimosa, Peter Amparo did a very good job on pressuring the basketball. And I think credit to them. Actually, sa lahat ng players ko, they work hard in practice. They give their best effort in practice so that yung preparation namin mas maganda. So credit to all the players.
Singer, these 3 games you've been playing super all those games are so indicative. Is your thoughts on having a break on all those 3 games?
I'm just grateful for the opportunity. I'm grateful for what I've been blessed with to be able to contribute. But me sitting here or me scoring or whatever, it's as long as we come out with the W, that's the most important part. I wouldn't be sitting here if guys didn't make plays out of stretch to make us win. So it's a team sport. It's never just one. But yeah, all glory to God that I can do what I can do. Hopefully I can continue.
You guys have a long break. Don't there until the 26th. How big confidence booster is for you guys in this long break?
Yeah, you never want to go into a big break on a loss. So at least this way, we have momentum moving forward. We haven't lost yet, so coming into this next game, our confidence should be high. We prepare the right way, and we like our chances against any team in the league. So as long as we keep playing this way and keep gutting it out, then we'll be fine.
The next game will be on the hometown of Mark Rama and Peter Amparo. How excited are you guys to go there and see the sights?
It should be cool. I think I've never been there, so having some guys to show us around, and after we take care of business and whatnot, but I'm sure it's going to be good for those guys to get to go home, and I'm excited to see more of the Philippines, as I'm not originally from here, so it's always a good thing to travel.
And that sums up our post-game press conference. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.